What are the different types of crevasses? Imagine walking across a vast icy landscape and suddenly stepping onto a hidden trap. Crevasses are like those invisible dangers that can catch even experienced explorers off guard. These deep cracks in glacier ice form because of the stress caused by glacier movement. They come in several shapes and sizes, each with its own story of how the ice is shifting and stretching. Knowing about these types is key to staying safe during polar region adventures. The first type is called transverse crevasses. These cracks run across the glacier, perpendicular to the flow of ice. They usually form on steep slopes or where the glacier speeds up. As the ice stretches and pulls apart, it creates wide, arcing cracks that can be quite large. These are often the most visible and easiest to spot, but they can still be dangerous if hidden under snow. Next are longitudinal crevasses. These run parallel to the glacier's flow. They develop when the ice spreads out laterally, like when a glacier widens as it moves into a broader valley or ice shelf. These cracks can be narrower but stretch for long distances, marking areas where the ice is pulling apart sideways. They are common in areas where the glacier is spreading out or thinning. There are also splaying crevasses, which tend to appear near the edges of the glacier. These open at an angle to the flow, often along the margins. They happen because the ice near the sides moves more slowly than the center, causing the ice to tear apart at the edges. These cracks fan out or splay, making the edges of the glacier look jagged and uneven. Marginal crevasses are found right along the edges of the glacier. They form because the central ice moves faster than the sides, creating shear stress. These cracks are usually curved downstream and mark the boundary between the moving ice and the stationary parts of the glacier or valley walls. They are often the most dangerous for travelers because they can be hidden beneath snow or ice. Finally, bergschrund crevasses are special cracks that form at the head of a glacier. They occur where the moving glacier ice separates from the stationary ice or snow above. These are typically large and deep, creating a gap between the glacier and the mountain slope or cirque wall. Bergschrunds are common in mountain glaciers and can be very dangerous if not recognized. Understanding these different crevasse types helps in planning safe routes during polar region trips. Crevasses can be hidden under snow bridges, making them tricky to see. Knowing where each type is likely to form helps guides and travelers avoid dangerous areas. Using ropes, rescue gear, and careful observation are essential safety measures. Recognizing the signs of different crevasses and their locations can make a big difference in avoiding accidents. In the end, crevasses tell us a lot about how glaciers move and change. Each type reflects the internal stresses and flow patterns of the ice. Being aware of these differences is a vital part of traveling safely in icy, remote environments.